What's up, YouTube? Today we're working on the Toyota pickup, and this is the rear end of it. That's what happened. The leaf spring broke. These are the Belltech 3-inch drop leaf springs. You can see it snapped, and it didn't have anything in the bed, no weight at all, and it just snapped last weekend. So they sent us a replacement, a brand new leaf, which is right there. We'll go ahead and put that in here, and then I'm gonna pull this one out and show you guys. Snap like right in front of the leaf spring perch right there. I'm not gonna show you guys how to remove these because we already removed them in another video. We just finished installing the leaf spring. The bushing that comes up here in the front, we had to put it back here, and the one from back here we had to put up in the front. I don't know why Belltech sends them like this. Not the right bushing the way they set it up. And another issue, these are drop leaf springs, and I don't know why the pin is upside down. So now we have to flip that pin the other way around. So that's another little thing we forgot to do when when the leaf spring was out. And we're not bashing on Belltech, it's just that, I mean, for the money you pay for these leaf springs, I think they should come ready to just install and not break on you. Let me go ahead and flip this pin around, and then I'll put you guys back on. So we got this side on, and I think that side is way higher than this side now. Oh yeah, it is. It got the truck got a lean to it. I asked them to replace both just because I want to know that that side is not going to give out anytime soon, but they didn't want to, so we just got one side. And this is how it snapped. And we had heard bad things about these leaf springs, that the metal's super weak and all that, and we still went with them. Oh shit, well, I don't know where the other piece is at. There's another piece that fell off. This is the top leaf. The bottom leaf snapped as well, and that's with no weight on the truck. So what we did for the other truck, I'm gonna show you guys, because we aren't gonna be fixing this blue one up anymore. So on this black one, what we did is we de-arched these stock leaves, and honestly these have way more weight capacity than the Belltechs. That's without shocks. So let me see if I can show you on this side. Way stiffer, and I'm gonna see if I could push down on the blue truck, this one. It's a little stiff now, but they wear down pretty quick. I don't know if you can see, the other side is almost completely flat. So once I start driving, this thing's gonna go a little lower. Still gonna be higher than the other side for sure. So that's the part number. We haven't had good experience with these leaves. What we do recommend from Belltech, well, because I think they're the only brand that has them, is the drop spindles. But even that, you could get them from Street Edge, which is the same exact thing. I think Street Edge is made by Belltech, so you could get those. The reason is that Belltech has them at a higher price and Street Edge doesn't. It's cheaper. I don't know why. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, once you have these leaves, you can't really have anything in the bed because they'll start smacking everywhere. So de-arching your stock leaves, I think, is a little better option than having this happen on you. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.